Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use name drop in iOS 17.1 or later and watchOS 10.1 or later. Name drop is a convenient feature that allows you to quickly share new contact information with a nearby iPhone or Apple Watch. I'll explain the process step by step, so let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to use name drop. The process is very simple and intuitive, as it's designed to be user-friendly. To start, hold the display of your iPhone a few centimeters from the top of the other person's iPhone or Apple Watch. Continue holding your devices near each other until name drop appears on both screens. Once name drop appears, you'll have a couple of options. You can choose to share your contact card and receive the other person's contact information, or you can choose to only receive the other person's contact card. It's that easy. This makes exchanging contact information quick and hassle-free. Now, I do want to address a potential privacy concern. I realize that it's fairly easy to get close to another iPhone and their name and phone number will pop up on their device. This could be a privacy issue, especially in public places like bars where someone's phone might be sitting on a table. It feels like name drop should require both iPhones to be unlocked before any kind of communication between the devices is allowed. However, from my understanding, you have to confirm the exchange on both devices. It won't steal your data or anyone else's without permission. The feature is designed to be a fast way to share your information with someone you allow, not to allow random people to access your contact information. If you're concerned about privacy, you can always turn off name drop and other bring devices together features. To do this, go to Settings, then General, and tap on AirDrop. From there, you can turn off bring devices together. This will disable the name drop feature, giving you peace of mind. Remember, while name drop is a great tool for quickly sharing contacts, it's always good to be aware of your surroundings and who you're sharing your information with. Make sure both parties are comfortable and consenting to the exchange. And that's how you use name drop in iOS 17.1 or later. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.